As an AI engineer, watching people treat ChatGPT like a fancy Google search makes me physically hurt. Here's how you actually get 10 times better answers. Stop asking, "Write me an email asking for a raise." That gives you generic corporate slop. Instead, use the RTC framework. 1. Role. Act as an executive negotiation coach. 2. Task. Draft a salary adjustment email based on these 3 metrics. 3. Constraints. Under 150 words, confident tone, 0 corporate jargon. The model didn't get smarter, you just stopped giving it room to hallucinate context. Hit subscribe, and I'll break down the exact prompts we use to build real AI agents.